Hello, everyone. So, today we are going to talk about what is inside actually my pack. So, first is the starter pack, as you can see, NT Posting Starter Pack, that is for data and AI. So, this is what it actually contains. If you go on the website, so right now I'm in India, so that's why the price is India sensitive. For your case, it will be in your area. Okay. So, this is what inside it is. And it is a lighter version of the bigger one that we have. I'll show you about that one. So this is just the generic view about it, right? So once you are go into it, you will get the pack that is there, and then you buy it, and then you will get the thing actually, right? So this is the Notion dog that you actually get. So there are a couple more things inside it. I'll not go fully into it. It's a very big Notion dog, as you can see here. So there are a couple of things inside. So this is inside my Notion. Okay, so you get access to it, the whole thing. You get few resumes, templates, not few more than that actually. Some basic templates how to getting started and what are the various different things that are there. So you get whole pack inside it. So this is for the 100 rupee one, the basic one, the light one, and then we go into the second one. That is your anti hosting system. And this is not just limited to people who are getting ghosted or like this is also for people who want resources. Okay, like you want to do self learning. This is for them. So, for example, if you watch like 50 tutorials, apply to 100 jobs, and still feel like shaky, you're not having foundation, you don't know what you're doing, like, and you want to be very, how do I say it, like very composed in what you're doing. So, this is for those people. Okay. So, it has a full solution, everything being there. So, it has a lot of foundation things, proof of work building, and all those. So, this has more than information from these resources, whatever I have learned, whatever experience I have done, and things inside it. So, as I told, who is it for? As you can see it here. So, I'm not going full detail into the description. You can always see it, but I wanted to show you what is inside it, right? So, see, this is what you get. Okay, so this is my OneDrive link that you get whole thing into, and you get like the resources will not end. Resources will not end. So many resources are there, and everything is a cheat sheet. You can see like everything is there. It's not gonna end. It has more than 3,000 resources and keep adding it. And this is what it is. It's like so many things are there. See, all them are guides, all them are like how you do it, and it's very vast. It's not just limited. And then you get Notion, and then if you want to, I'll guide you through learning about these things. Like, see, even interview questions, everything is in there and it keeps updating each day. So there are the resources that I've collected even from 2021. So from that time, whatever things I have learned throughout my journey of learning and collecting things, and as you, I do content, right? So I have to be focused on what is in the market right now. So even prompt engineering things that when it first came out from that time also it is there. So you get a vast library. Even you can train your Claude in it. So all these things you get for it. It is priced at 2,000. Okay. And also, it used to be 2,500. I made it as a lot of people were requesting for it. I made it into 2,000. So it's a one-time payment, as you can see, and you get a lifetime access, like no uh, monthly fee, no account creation, nothing like that. You just get full access to it, and it keeps getting updated. And as there was a focus on data analytics, but now it's more vast on data and AI. But these are the all the things that are in there. So as you can see. So what exactly is inside this? I wanted to show. And for the other two, the founders one and the other, this is more of a direct thing where I'll teach you. You can watch my other videos where I taught the student who was like working in Oracle product manager. So those are very much made to that person. Okay. So that's why it is not like I can't show you in this way because this is more something that I'll take from you and make it according to you. So I have previous, if you guys want it, you can let me know. I'll show that one also. But this is more in the way of how to actually, these you can get, right? And then you can use. But those one is like, I'll get information from you. I'll make something custom to you. So that's why. So with that being said, I think now you know what is inside, right? And I'll see you in the next one. Okay. We'll talk more about different things. So with that being said, bye bye. I'll see you in the next one. Let me see. Where is my Luma?